Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys a home remedy for open pores. Every single girl out there is struggling with open pores. Nobody likes them, they look bad underneath the makeup, and it's just not nice. I know open pores are natural, I have them, everyone has them, but you can do certain things here and there to like fix the pores, reduce their appearance. So if you want to learn how to do this magical home remedy for your open pores, then just keep watching. We will need these three ingredients only. We will need oats, orange juice, and honey. For the first step, you are gonna take 2 tablespoons of these oats. Make sure the oats are not very powdery. We need the texture of the oats. Make sure they're not too jumbo either. They should look like this. For the second step, you are gonna add fresh orange juice. Try not to use something from outside because it has a lot of sugar. We need to make a good paste-like consistency which will stick on our face. The ratio should be 2:1. So if you're adding 2 tablespoons of oats, make sure you add 1 tablespoon of orange juice. The last and final step is honey. You want to make sure you add a bit of honey because honey has a lot of antibacterial properties. So we're just going to take a bit of this honey and pour it into this mixture. Once honey is added to this mixture, I will mix it up. Mix and make a nice paste. Alright, so I have this magical mask right here. As you all can see, we've got some really good ingredients for the skin. We have orange juice, honey, oats. All these ingredients are amazing for your skin, especially if you have open pores and oily skin. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is obviously just move my hair away from the face. Now we're gonna apply the mask on my face, and you have to make sure that your skin is clean. Make sure you have washed your face with your cleanser. Alright, so here we have the mask, and you want to make sure you apply it wherever you have a lot of oil and open pores, like your cheeks, your chin. You just apply it like this. The orange juice has a lot of vitamin C, which is perfect for your skin. Please do a test patch first. Don't just apply it on your face right away. Apply it on your wrist over here, inside the wrist, because that's your most sensitive part. And if you do have any sensitivity for any of these ingredients, you will get a reaction over here and not your face. So now this mask is gonna be on my face for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna wait for it to fully dry and stick to my face and extract all the oils and really minimize the appearance of my pores, and then I'll wash it off using regular water. It's so good. You guys can see orange juice and you can see the honey, the glaze. It's so good. So while this mask is drying, I thought I'll just talk to you guys a little bit. Nowadays there's a lot of controversy going on in regards to home remedies, and I feel as long as it works for you, why does it matter? Honestly, for me it really works. For a while I literally stopped doing home remedies because I felt bullied into not doing them, because all over the internet everyone was just like against them. But in reality, I do use them and I do get benefits out of it. Plus it's cheap, it's not that expensive. And skincare products are so expensive and not everyone can afford them. If home remedies give you the results, then why not? Why not? That's why I am back and I'm doing these. So as you all can see, it has been almost 20 minutes since I applied this face mask and it has completely dried. I am unable to move my face even properly because everything has dried fully. The oats are not falling anymore because they're stuck to my face. The oats have extracted every single oil from my pores, and I can totally feel my face has tightened up a lot because the vitamin C worked. And now that everything is dry, I'm just gonna remove this, wash my face, and come back. I have this wet towel. As you guys can see, it's wet, to like removing the residue of the face mask. It's really good. Just finished washing my face and you guys can see how nice and fresh my skin looks. Literally so glowy. Now the final step I always do after this mask is take ice cubes and rub them lightly on my pores. Ice cubes really help reduce the appearance of your pores, tightens the pores. And that's it, you guys. You can notice a visible difference in my skin, and I can definitely feel a huge difference in my skin. I can feel my skin is much tighter, so clean, so soft. I highly recommend you guys to do this mask at least once a week to notice a visible difference over time. This brings us to the end of today's video, you guys. I hope you all liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much. Please do try this homemade face mask and send me your pictures, tag me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time, goodbye.